Every year, the second-year industrial design students are tasked with designing a chair for the annual chair show here at the Gladstone Hotel. Let's go check out a few.
The theme this year is called The Future of Work. So we've challenged the students to imagine how people will be working, specifically in an office setting, in the future. So the tradition of coming to an office, sitting in a task chair at the same desk for year after year, that's changing, it's evolving.
Done a really good job. The fit and finish is really crisp and clear, and their design trends is, I like where they're going. They've changed it up from this year to the previous years, which is making it a little bit more interesting.
We actually got it back and seen the full thing together. It was a really good feeling to see it transition from paper to real life.
With the chair, we wanted to make it, as you said, ergonomic. So when you sit on it, you feel comfortable, but you also feel motivated to do your work.
So my favorite part was making the hardwood chairs. A lot of it was done just by hand, like power tools and at our own will, which really made a big difference when we finished the product at the end, seeing how it all came together and how well it attached and everything.
We went out and talked to people at the beginning, researched, gathered information, asked people what they liked about chairs, what they needed in the future of work.
It's going more towards working in open spaces where there's Wi-Fi and just like work surfaces to work, as opposed to closed cubicles in traditional offices.
We want to sort of tear down the walls of the older sort of boxed-in boardroom, and we want to incorporate a sort of a mobile element to it.
To see a client face-to-face, to get feedback from a professional who designs chairs every day is a very valuable asset. And that's a big part of what we try to do in the program, is these industry-sponsored or industry outreach projects, because we know that industrial design is not just a creative endeavor. There has to be something that brings real value to a professional situation as soon as a student sits in that desk.